So because I'm behind reviewing the books that I received, I thought I would start doing unboxing videos as the books come in. So this box is from Hatchet, and thank you very much to Hatchet. We'll open the box. And they always do a good job of packing for you. And, oh, it's just a single book this time. Whoa, Coen and Partners, Contextual Minimalism, Landscape, Architecture, and Urbanism. Wow, actually, I love this kind of urban minimalism. And this book comes wrapped in plastic, and it is quite heavy. It is a substantial book. Here's the back. This beautiful landscaped urban gardens. And this is from Princeton Architectural Press. And Coen and Partners is probably an architecture firm. When they also do landscape design, and this person also is a TEDx speaker. And so this book is about capturing landscape design, celebrating nature, and kind of with a zen minimalism. Wow, looks beautiful. Okay, I'm going to pause it here. I want to open the book so we can look at some of the. Show you this beautiful coffee table book, which is whoa, yeah. Let's see if we can get to. Here's kind of a drawing for a landscape. Oh, it's nice to kind of show you the process from concept to like the finished design, like architecture drawings they use, and I guess also some before and afters. And it is really about landscape that looks like as if Mother Nature did it, but of course it's getting a little bit of help. Oh, this is really pretty. This is the kind of weather we are now experiencing as well. It's the beginning of fall. Although, it's not really capturing the color of the leaves. Whoa, this is a really beautiful modern structure with a pond. Oh, this one's really nice too. I really like it when there's stones and plants interspersed. That one really has sort of a structured approach though, right? It's not really like nature, it's really like very precise. But beautiful too. Here are some more drawings. These are elevator views, yards with pools, a very modern clean pool. Yeah. So kind of like an inspiration. If you're looking to landscape, it's I guess an inspiration. And if you are not, or don't have this type of landscape, you can live vicariously. So I like some of these books for. Just imagine myself. That was my yard. If I would like it or if I wouldn't like it. Or just feels like we're visiting someone's really beautiful space. Okay, well, this is Coen and Partners, Contextual Minimalism, Landscape, Architecture, and Urbanism. And is the price for this book? It is $50 US. But beautiful 4-color and worth it.